I just wanted to give a shout out to my new smile. Get my new smile from Pop On Veneers. I appreciate my smile. It wasn't that pricey, and I didn't have to go to the dentist's office. I did everything in the comfort of my own home. So, get started with getting your own new beautiful smile by Pop On Veneers. Cheese. So I can't help myself. I love my smile. And I owe it all to Pop On Veneers. Thank you so much. As you can see, I can talk very well with my Pop On Veneers. Please take your time in making your molds to the best of your ability, because this will make sure that your veneers come out great. So take your time. If you need help, get help and get assistance. Watch the videos, because they give you every step by step on how to perform your molds, right? So once again, I am a happy customer. I can eat certain things in my veneers. I drink in my veneers. My sodas and coffee and tea, I do a lot with my veneers. And I am so happy about my new smile. So, once again, I thank you, Pop On Veneers, for helping me extend my beautiful smile. So, if you was thinking once and you were like, iffy about the situation, go ahead and take that step so you can get your new smile on the way. It did not take a long time to process. I think it took me like 2 weeks. They move really quickly and really fast. So I suggest that you just go ahead and say click, and it's just that easy. And you can enjoy a wonderful smile just like me. Here is my original smile. I just want you to see clear of my original smile. I would like to show you as I get ready to pop on my Pop On Veneers, right? And show you how wonderful they look. Bottoms, top. As you can see, the smile. It's so nice, right? I am so happy with my new smile. And I am so happy with my Pop On Veneers. Yes, I am so ecstatic about my new smile. I can't help but think it was the greatest idea to purchase this. Because guess what? They used to be like this. Uh-oh. These are my top. And these are my bottoms. This is my original tee, as you can see. But if I put my pop-ons, okay? Pop. And pop. Can you tell the difference? OMG. I am so excited. Thank you, Pop On Veneers. I appreciate you so much. I definitely will be sending people to your website. How I eat with my new pop-on veneers. Okay, let me let you look at them. Cheese, cheese, and cheese. Absolutely stunning. So I'm going to eat a potato chip. Or you can eat with them. Okay. Also want to show that you can drink with them. Wash it all down. Ah, see? New pop-on veneers. I am so excited. Thank you so much, pop-on veneers. I suggest that you get you a nice set. This right here is the natural white. Okay? Cheese.